Hello everyone! Welcome back sa ating vlog. And it's our day 2 in LU. LU. Magandang umaga po. Make sure to memorize those steps. Sarado pa ata yung store. Ayun. And the lane. Excuse me po. Hello. How are you? Welcome to La Union. So, yeah. It's aga-aga. Sorry, aga-aga guys. At, we'll just spend the time having tour. So guys, there's sorry to say this, tayo lang to kasi others ay hindi sila komportable sa pagpakilala. Nagugulat sila. Nagugulat din sila. Kaya kailangan mag-iingat-ingat lang tayo. And let's go down. Make sure hindi tayo muna lalapit sa tubig. And ito na rin ang beach front. Aga-aga, kita na ang mga kagandahan dito. Baka makita natin teacher ko dati. Nasa simbahan mamaya. As a tourism student, no? Hello po, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. At I will end this video kasi maano na rin, mafu-full na yung phone ko. Wow, kita na ang kagandahan. Grabe. Hanggang ngayon pa rin, iniisip ko pa rin. Expect more in the evening. Mamaya, night swimming tayo. Hi, I'm from Manila.
Oh, okay. Welcome to La Union.
Yeah. We're here for only 3 nights. We're about to go home on Tuesday.
Oh.
On Tuesday, I'm going back to Manila with my family.
Wow, we enjoy.
I'm still studying.
Oh, that's good. Enjoy staying.
So you're from Manila also?
No, we're from here.
You live here?
Yeah, we're local.
Where?
In San Fernando, La Union.
Ooh.
Right before San Juan.
Okay, thank you so much. Videos. They're too shy. So, I'm going back to the room right now. Xie. Okay, end ko na to dahil pumupuno na yung phone ko.